Hello everyone! Have you ever noticed that after a few bites of your favorite snack, you start to feel less excited about it, even if it's your absolute favorite? Today, we're going to explore why that happens. We'll talk about some important economic concepts: utility, marginal utility, the law of diminishing marginal utility, and how all of this helps us understand something called consumer's equilibrium. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in simple terms. Let's start with the idea of utility. Utility is just a fancy word for the satisfaction or happiness you get from something. For example, when you eat a slice of pizza, you feel happy and satisfied. That feeling is what we call utility. Think of utility as a way to measure how much joy something gives you. The more you enjoy something, the higher its utility. Now, what is marginal utility? Marginal utility is the extra happiness or satisfaction you get from consuming one more unit of something. Let's stick with our pizza example. The first slice of pizza is amazing. That's your marginal utility from the first slice. But when you eat a second slice, you might still be happy, but maybe a little less excited than before. By the time you get to the third slice, your excitement drops even more. That's because each additional slice gives you less and less extra happiness. This brings us to something important. This is called the law of diminishing marginal utility. It means that as you consume more of something, the extra satisfaction or utility you get from each additional unit decreases. In simple terms, the more pizza you eat, the less you enjoy each new slice. This law helps us understand why we don't keep consuming something endlessly, even if we love it at first. Now, let's talk about consumer's equilibrium. Imagine you're at a food court with a certain amount of money to spend. You want to make sure you get the most happiness for your money, right? So, you might decide to buy a combination of pizza and a drink that gives you the best overall satisfaction. Consumer's equilibrium is when you've spent your money in such a way that you've maximized your total happiness. And there's no way to make yourself happier by changing what you buy. It's like finding the perfect balance between the pizza and the drink, neither too much of one nor too little of the other. To reach consumer's equilibrium, there's a simple rule. The marginal utility per unit of money spent should be the same for all the goods you're buying. That means the last bit of money you spend on pizza should give you the same extra satisfaction as the last bit you spend on a drink. If you find that the pizza gives you more satisfaction, you should buy more pizza. But if the drink is making you happier, then get more drinks. Keep adjusting until both are balanced. Let's try another example. Suppose you're shopping for clothes and you have enough money to buy either 2 t-shirts or 1 pair of jeans. If buying 2 t-shirts gives you more satisfaction, you should go for them. But if the jeans make you happier, then that's what you should choose. You've reached consumer's equilibrium when you can't increase your happiness by changing your choice. You're perfectly balanced. So, the next time you're deciding what to buy, remember that it's all about balancing your satisfaction. Understanding utility, marginal utility, and consumer's equilibrium can help you make better decisions with your money. It's like being your own happiness manager. That's it for today. Keep these ideas in mind and you'll start to see economics in everything you do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy lessons. See you in the next video.